Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're inside the Coop Heights. It's the Coop Heights in Houston, Texas, and we're at their one-bedroom model. Let's look in their bedroom. So the bedroom is pretty cool. This is kind of a double, could be a queen, pretty much a double though, I think. And so a double, two queen would fit in here. It's really pretty inside, very white. Very light and bright. It's a huge window that you can just raise anytime. This has got barn doors too, by the way. So the barn doors are your door to close and open into your bedroom. Into the bathroom. Oh, it's a very nice bathroom actually. Really like it. It's well lighted. You can see it's got a really great quartz countertop there, and then it's got a walk-in shower. Very nice. What I also like is the flooring is just goes straight into here. It's a really nice light vinyl luxury flooring in the bedroom. It's got carpet, and then here is the closet. The closet space is actually really generous. It's a lot of space in here, a lot of shelves. So you really got a lot of space in here to work with. Very impressed with this. Now we're going to go back out, and I overall really like this design. It seems like they use every single square feet well. It's not a huge apartment. It's not small, but it's just like the perfect size. And I think you would love it here. So if you're ready to take a tour, start with a virtual tour. I can set that up for you right now, even the same day today. Send me a text when you see this, and we'll just chat and kind of go from there. My number is below.